Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Today is Friday, June 13th, 2025. Y'all be safe out there tonight because crazy stuff tend to happen on Friday the 13th. Y'all be safe. In today's episode, we're diving into the controversy surrounding Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, who recently made headlines after stating that drivers have the right to hit protesters if they feel threatened. But is this actually legal?
And we also have a policy that if you're driving on one of those streets and a mob comes and surrounds your vehicle and threatens you, you have a right to flee for your safety. And so if you drive off and you hit one of these people, that's their fault for impinging on you. You don't have to sit there and just be a sitting duck and let the mob grab you out of your car and drag you through the streets. You have a right to defend yourself in Florida.
Governor Ron DeSantis made the controversial remark during an interview on the Rubin Report. He stated that if you're driving and a mob comes and surrounds your vehicle and you hit one of these people, that's their fault. You don't have to be a sitting duck. He referenced Florida 2021 anti-riot law, formerly known as the Combating Public Disorder Act, as a foundation for his statement. While the anti-riot law does aim to protect drivers from civil liability if they unintentionally harm someone while fleeing a violent protest, it does not grant blanket immunity. Florida's law still requires that any use of force, especially with the vehicle, must be reasonable and necessary under the circumstances. Under Florida Statute 776.012, a person is justified in using force if he or she reasonably believes that such force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm. Civil rights groups argue that DeSantis' statements are dangerous and could encourage violence or suppress lawful demonstrations. Elena Greer from the Community Justice Project said, "It is not legal to harm people with cars during a lawful protest. This sentiment could chill people from exercising their right." Here's the truth. Drivers who hit protesters, intentionally or not, may still face aggravated battery, vehicular homicide, and reckless driving charges. Each case is investigated for intent, context, and threat level. Law enforcement, not politicians, determine whether the force was justified or not. Remember Charlottesville in 2017, when a man drove into a group of peaceful protesters, killing one? Despite claiming fear, he was convicted of murder. So does Florida law give you the right to hit protesters? No, not unless you can prove you were in immediate danger. If you ever find yourself surrounded in traffic, you should stay calm, lock your doors, do not accelerate unless in fear for your life, contact the police immediately, and document everything. Freedom of speech and peaceful assembly are constitutional rights. Florida laws are tough, but not without legal limits. Finally, for your own freedom and peace of mind, I do not recommend you run over a protester, even if they are surrounding your car. Use wisdom in this situation. This was a quick update for you guys. Thank you for visiting Hello Today. Please like, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. This is Selena. Thanks for listening. Bye. And don't run over people.